This boneless chicken cream is a perfect example of how a few simple ingredients can be combined to create something that is far greater than the sum of its parts. Ingredients: 600 ml single cream, 6 small onion, 1 kg boneless chicken, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon Zira, half cup oil. Here is how to cook best chicken cream. First of all, cut the onions in small pieces. After that, simply start heating the cooking oil in a cooking pot because we need to fry breast chicken until it becomes light brown. This will not take that much time because this boneless breast chicken is soft. Now it's time to add Zira and salt and mix them properly. After that, simply add the onion and keep on cooking until they become dissolved with chicken. In short, you will not be able to see any onion inside the dish. At the end, add 600 ml single cream and wait another 10 minutes for it to be cooked properly. When it's done, simply add some black pepper on it for garnish. And that's it. Our boneless chicken cream is ready to be served. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.